Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Super Spirograph is probably one of the most captivating and creatively stimulating art tools available today, offering a unique blend of mathematical precision and artistic freedom that can transform simple paper into mesmerizing geometric patterns. This classic toy, reimagined for a new generation, provides hours of engaging fun for both children and adults, encouraging fine motor skill development and fostering an appreciation for the beauty found in mathematical concepts, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore their artistic side or simply unwind with a satisfyingly intricate activity. Number 5. Spirograph Design Set Collector's Tin. Rediscover the joy of classic Spirograph fun, now in a convenient collector's tin. It's perfect for sparking creativity in aspiring artists. This set comes with everything you need to get started, including a variety of shapes, pens, and design pages. You'll have endless possibilities for creating intricate patterns. Keep all your supplies neatly organized in the included collector's tin. Its snap and tray ensures everything stays in place, making it easy to take your creativity on the go. Already have a Spirograph set? This collector's tin is compatible with your existing pieces, allowing you to expand your creative horizons even further. Designed for creators aged 8 and up, this set offers an intermediate skill level that challenges and delights. It's a fantastic way to develop fine motor skills and artistic expression. Looking for the perfect gift? This art and craft set is an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It provides hours of engaging and artistic fun. What we like? This set offers classic Spirograph fun in a convenient collector's tin. It includes a good variety of accessories to get you started right away. If you're looking for a nostalgic and organized way to enjoy Spirograph, this is a great choice. What people say. The Super Spirograph has a variety of gears and accessories that allow for intricate and beautiful designs. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and produces satisfying results with minimal effort. The set includes a guidebook with different patterns and ideas to get you started, making it a great gift for aspiring artists. Number 4. Spirograph Deluxe Set Spiral Art Drawing Kit. Introducing the Spirograph Deluxe Set, the classic way to create countless amazing designs. It's perfect for kids aged 8 and up. This is a fun STEAM activity that perfectly combines art and mathematics to create beautiful designs. It's an engaging way to learn and play. Release your creativity with this set. Its gears work with most standard pens, markers, and pencils, allowing you to make designs in any color imaginable. With so many ways to design, the possibilities are truly endless. You can create a unique masterpiece every time you play. Its compact and durable carrying case makes it easy to store when you're finished. It's also perfect for taking with you for fun on the go. Everything you need is included to get started right away. You'll find design pens, a carrying case, paper, wheels and rings, and a full-color design guide. What we like? This deluxe set is a fantastic STEAM activity that blends art and math. It's designed to work with most standard pens and markers, offering immense creative freedom. If you want a versatile kit that encourages artistic exploration and is easy to take anywhere, this is the one for you. What people say. The gears are precisely cut and fit together perfectly, allowing for smooth and consistent drawing. It comes with a variety of gears and accessories, offering endless creative possibilities for intricate designs. The instruction booklet provides clear guidance and helpful tips for beginners to get started quickly. Number 3. Spirograph Junior Jumbo Retro Toy. Introducing Spirograph Junior, the classic retro toy designed for little hands. It's perfect for aspiring artists aged 3 and up to create amazing spiral art. With jumbo-sized gears, it's incredibly easy for young children to use. Our guide helps them turn simple designs into fantastic pictures. This set includes everything needed to start drawing colorful, spiraling designs. It even comes with a handy carrying case and built-in drawing desk. Inspired by the original 1965 Spirograph, this version is made for a new generation. It's brought to you by Play Monster, dedicated to creating exciting play experiences. This geometric art kit is recommended for ages 3 and up. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like? Designed specifically for smaller hands, this set features jumbo-sized gears for easier manipulation. It's perfect for aspiring young artists aged 3 and up. If you have a preschooler or kindergartner who loves to draw and create, this is an ideal introduction to Spirograph. What people say. The gears are precisely cut and fit together perfectly, allowing for smooth and consistent patterns. It comes with a variety of gears and accessories, offering endless creative possibilities for intricate designs. The instruction booklet provides clear guidance and helpful tips for beginners to get started easily. Number 2. Spirograph Super Set. Discover the Spirograph Super Set, a classic art toy reimagined for endless creative fun. It's designed to make anyone an artist, regardless of age. This set features twice as many gears as the original, offering even more ways to create amazing designs. The unique arcs snap together for exciting new patterns. With countless combinations, the possibilities for creating unique spirotastic designs are truly endless. Let your imagination run wild. It's incredibly easy to create beautiful, intricate designs and unusual patterns. This drawing set provides a wonderful sense of accomplishment for kids. Brought to you by Cahoots Toys, this set is inspired by the original 1965 Spirograph. We've infused our passion to bring exciting play experiences to life. Release your creativity by using your own pens, markers, and pencils. The gears are designed to work with most standard drawing tools for ultimate versatility. What we like. This super set boasts twice the gears of the original, plus unique arcs for even more intricate designs. It's designed to make anyone feel like an artist, creating beautiful patterns with ease. If you're looking for a kit that offers advanced design possibilities and a real sense of accomplishment, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The Super Spirograph comes with a variety of gears and accessories that allow for intricate and beautiful designs. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and the results are consistently impressive. The set includes a good range of colors and drawing tools, making it a versatile and engaging toy for all ages. Number 1. Spirograph Die-Cast Collector's Set, Special Edition. Get ready to explore a universe of artistic possibilities. This set is designed to spark your imagination and bring your wildest design ideas to life. Introducing a special edition that's perfect for both art enthusiasts and collectors. Its exquisite metal gear design makes it a standout piece. Celebrate a milestone with this exclusive Golden Anniversary edition. It comes in a beautiful, collectible tin, making it a truly special item. With this kit, the only limit is your imagination. Create an infinite number of unique and stunning designs with ease. Experience the quality of its metal gear design. This art supply set offers a sophisticated and engaging way to create beautiful spiral art. Looking for a unique gift? This set is an ideal choice for anyone who loves art, crafts, or collecting. It's a must-have for aspiring artists and seasoned collectors alike. What we like. This special edition set features durable die-cast metal gears for a premium feel and exceptional design capabilities. It comes in a collectible display tin, making it a perfect executive gift or a must-have for collectors. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and want a truly unique, display-worthy Spirograph experience, this is the set you need. What people say. The Spirograph is a classic toy that allows users to create intricate and beautiful geometric patterns. It comes with a variety of gears and a drawing tool, enabling a wide range of designs. The set is easy to use, making it accessible for both children and adults to explore their creativity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.